Hi, this is Tim with Nova Backup, and today I will show you how to restore files from your cloud backup. First, start by opening the Nova Backup software and going to the Restore tab. There you will see all of your backup types, local and cloud. If you drill down in the cloud storage option, you will find your cloud data, and your basic drive structure will appear in the columns below. Please keep in mind that this may take a while to process. Once the drives appear, go ahead and find the file or files you wish to restore and select them with a check mark in the box. Once your selections are made, you can now hit the Restore button, which will restore the files to their original location with their original properties intact, or you can click on the Settings button to change some of these properties, such as the ACL controls, overwrite properties, and the restore path. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will restore these files to my desktop, but I would recommend creating a folder on the root of C when you do a restore. As you will see, the file structure path remains intact when restoring a file, and it is possible to exceed Microsoft's limit on the number of characters allowed in the file path if your restore location is deep within your Windows structure. This doesn't come into play very often, but keep it in mind anyway. Once my restore parameters are set to my liking, I click OK and hit the Restore button and start the restore job. Once it is complete, I now have my data back. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found this helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to use your Nova Backup software.